Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your cards on Snap Marvel. So let's just get into this tutorial. So first of all, of course, if you have Marvel Snap on your phone, that will be great. If you don't, all you need to do just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android and App Store if you're using an iPhone or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, of course, you would like just to go and open the application, then log in into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, just go and sign in into a new account, or you can even sign in with your Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. And of course, when you do that, so let me just go here and open my Snap Marvel application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see, this will actually be your home or your main screen on the game. And of course, if you want to play the game on your PC, you will find a video on this channel on how to do that exactly. So just go check it out if you are interested. So of course, if you want to upgrade your cards, simply you have just to go in your card deck first. So where you're gonna find that, it's simply at the right of or at the left of the main like here option. So just go and click on that and you will find here your collection. So as you can see here, if you find your collection, if you want to upgrade the card, just go and click on it. So of course here we have like I don't know, 4 8 12 13 14 15, we have 15 cards. So this is an example, that's our best card. So if we click on it, as you can see, we'll not have the option of upgrading it right now. So how can you really upgrade it? All you need to do first of all is to play games with that card, because you cannot upgrade the card unless you played games with this the card to have experience points in it, and then you will be able to upgrade it. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.